Hi, I'm Justice, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a mechanical pencil gun. First, you will need is a Pilot Rex Grip 07, and make sure it's a pencil and not a pen. It can be 05 or 07, is which one you prefer. And it has to be a mechanical pencil. There's something that looks like a pen, which is this. This one is a pen. But this one is a mechanical pencil. What else you will need is a Pilot G2. It can be 05, 07 or 10. It's up to you which one you prefer. First, you start off by disassembling the Pilot Rex Grip. You do that by unscrewing the edge. But first, you would have to make sure that there's no lead inside. Remove any lead. Then unscrew the edge of the pen. You'll get this piece, and this piece, pull it out. As you pull it out, this piece here will easily fall off. This piece. Next, you can leave this aside for now. Next, you'd have to disassemble the Pilot G2. You do that by unscrewing it. You'll get these three pieces. What you need from the Pilot G2 is the spring. To do that, just dash it on a hard surface. You might have to do it a few times, and the spring comes off. Then you take the lead holder, put it into the pen. So it goes in. Next, what you do, take the spring, put it into the mechanical pencil. The spring is the one that gives it the power. Last, you put in the clicker and push it in hard. Now you're done with your mechanical pencil gun. To fire it, you just press the clicker, and then a bit of this tip. When you press it, a bit of the tip comes out. Then with the tip, use your fingernail and pull it hard. And here it goes. As you saw, it did tend to fire really fast. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and leave a comment.